Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learned and draw alphabets. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now coloring alphabets. It's first we draw I. I for eyes. I for ice cream. Kids again use red color and draw J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. Kids now I draw K. K for kite. K for king. And use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw L. L for lion. L for lemon. Kids now I draw M. M for moon. M for mango. And use blue color. N. N for nose. N for nest. Kids now I draw O. O for orange. O for octopus. And use green color. Kids again use green color and draw P. P for parrot. P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.